Chris Orm's the name, smart home is the game. Today we're going to be talking about my bold predictions for what's going to happen in your smart home in the next 5 years. What's going to happen in 2030? Where's your smart home heading? And in this video, we're going to talk about it all. And we're in the AI revolution, so I think we're at a pivotal time of revolutionary upgrades for your smart home. Let's dive into my 5 points and my 5 bold predictions, shall we? All right, so my point number 1 is that AI is going to take over your smart home. Whether you have a smart home or not, people are going to be revolutionized by the AI revolution in the smart home space. People are going to have not only static routines, but automated AI-adjusted routines for things like their thermostats and their lighting. Imagine that your AI knows when you're about to come home based on your location, and it starts to present the home and welcome you back home. It'll begin to close the shades or open the shades, turn on the lights, adjust the temperature, and things of that nature. The AI home of the future is there, and it's not just going to run off routines based on time of day automations or a signal or something like that. It's going to be truly revolutionized around your app and your lifestyle. So going deeper on that, we're going to have chatbots like AI, ChatGPT, and Alexa that are working in your favor, and they're working with you as your personal assistant. Think like Siri, but it's going to manage your home as well as your daily life on your phone. And the interesting thing about having an AI agent is that you're going to have the responsibility of having to train it. When it doesn't do the right thing, when it doesn't do what you wanted it to do, you'll have to direct it that AI, you didn't do the right thing this time, and in the future, when this happens, I'll need you to change your behavior. And you'll basically be the coach of the AI for how you want your home to interact with AI. Prediction number 2, and this is already starting to happen, is that homes are going to be built smart by default. We see many builders, especially in Las Vegas, that are building smart features already built into the homes. We have pre-wire locations for cameras. We have smart thermostats coming built with the home. We have smart door locks coming with the home. We just have the smart home in mind when builders are building the home because the consumers are asking for it. They're asking, is this a smart home? They may not always know what that means, but they definitely want some smart aspects to it. They want these cool features that allow them to control their home when they're not in their home. So we really want to focus on getting new homes and getting the builders involved in it. I would say if you're buying a home in 2025 and the builder is not offering a smart option for you, you need to work with an integrator at the time of the building because you're really going to save a lot of money rather than doing it post-construction. So you're always going to start early on your smart home and make sure if you are building a new home that you work with the builder and you have these pre-wired locations at the technology built in just from the beginning. So let's talk about point number 3, and that's going to be your user privacy. Privacy is going to be sold as a premium service. You're giving away your data for free when you use programs like Facebook. You're giving away a lot of information to companies like Amazon. And these companies have your data and they're going to use it and they're going to charge you a premium to go ahead and keep control of your data. If you want to have your privacy protected, you're going to have to pay a premium for that. And that's going to be premium privacy as a service. Privacy is literally going to be a service, and that's a crazy reality. You need to be careful of what information you're giving away online because eventually these people are going to kind of extort you for your privacy. I think we're going to see that in a lot of cases, maybe in the smart home space, that you have, maybe an ad-supported or a non-private free solution. And if you want to have privacy, you have to pay a price for that. And that's a scary reality. When you have free services like Eufy that don't charge you for a cloud subscription, they have to make their money somehow, right? So would you rather pay a price point or would you rather pay with your data? And these are already the decisions that users are having to make. So my point number 3 is that privacy is going to be a premium service in the future. Point number 4 is that the smart home technician is a huge career opportunity of the future. Smart home technician is going to be a 6-figure opportunity. People are going to have the desire for people to come into their home and assist them with their home automation and their technology as a whole. Not only is the career of a smart home technician already growing, but I see it continuing to grow. We see the return of trade schools making a comeback after the decline of college degrees. People really want trade workers. People want skilled labor in their homes, and AI isn't going to take that away. So the rise of the smart home technician will continue to grow and grow. I feel that smart home technicians are even going to be in trade schools. They're going to have programs dedicated to it, and not just low voltage programs, but programs truly dedicating to become a smart home technician in the 21st century. And just by the way, if you do need help with your smart home, we do offer smart home consulting services. Click the link down in the description below, and if you need any help with your smart home, whether that's picking the right products or just figuring out the mess that you're already in, I can help. Hit us up in the link down below, and I'd love to hear from you soon. And my last and final prediction is going to be of smart communities. Communities are going to become smarter and smarter. Rather than just having a smart house, your community, your neighborhood is going to be smart. There's going to be centralized locations in which you can communicate with one another to alert each other or to spread awareness or messages throughout the neighborhood. I think smart buildings like smart apartment complexes are already a thing. We already have people working on smart cities throughout the world. And I just see this as a big pivotal point, and I see this as the next step in smart homes. From smart homes, we go to smart communities, and from smart communities, we go to smart cities. And I think that's the future and what we're working towards. So what do you guys think? Do you think that smart communities are an option? Do you think that's the future of the smart home? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Let's do an overall recap of what we talked about in this video, and then we'll quickly conclude it. So in this video, we talked about how AI is going to take control of your smart home. It's going to really know you and make decisions based on you and your smart home. We talked about how communities are going to be built with smart home already in mind. And we talked about how communities will be built with the smart home perspective and community-led features around it. We talked about how the smart home technician is the career of the future. And we talked about how privacy is going to be a premium service sold to you by these major corporations. If you got some value out of today's video, definitely give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll go ahead and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.